All right, everyone, I'm going to go over what we've been practicing in math recently. We have been multiplying 2 and 3-digit numbers. So a reminder, a 2-digit number is something that has 1, 2 digits in the number. And a 3-digit number has 1, 2, 3 digits in the number. So let's go ahead and multiply these two numbers together. I'll do 384 times 27. Oh, I just broke my pencil there. Now, when you do partial products multiplication, you do 7 times 4, then 7 times 80. Remember, because this 8 is in the tens place, so it's worth 80. Then I would do 7 times 300. That's how much this 3 is worth. And I would do all this math, and then I would add it all together. It is a ton of work. There's like 6 steps. This is partial products. We are practicing the U.S. traditional multiplication. And it takes away a lot of these steps and just combines them and makes it really fast to do multiplication like this. So I'll show you how to do it. First, we'll start with our ones place with our 7. Kind of like how we do over here. We start with 7 times 4. Let's start with 7 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28. Let me carry my 2 and drop my 8 down in the ones place. Okay, you carry your 2 just like kind of how you would in addition, but it works a little differently. So let's do 7 times 8, which is 56, and then I will add 2 onto it. So my answer will be 58, and I'll carry my 5 into my hundreds place. So with this one here, you're going to be adding it, not multiplying it. I just do 7 times 8 plus the number I carried. All right, so let's move on to our last place. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 5 is 26. So I've got 2,688. All right, that is quite a bit faster than having to do 6 steps to figure out this first problem, right? All right, so let me go ahead. I'll erase these at the top, and I'm going to cross off and scratch out my number 7 to tell me that I don't need to work with this 7 anymore. I don't need to multiply this 7 because I already have the answer here. So I've crossed it out, and every time you do that, I want you to draw a 0 where that place was. So this 0 means, all right, I've already worked with my ones place. I don't need to do that anymore. Let's go on to our tens place with our 2. So let's do 2 times 4, which is 8. I don't need to carry anything because it's only one place value, 1 digit, right? 2 times 8 is 16. I do have to carry my 1, drop my 6 down here. And then 2 times 3, which is 6, plus 1, which is 7. Now, once you have these two numbers here, you are going to add these together. 8 plus 0 is just 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. Let me carry my 1. 6 plus 6 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. And then 7 plus 2 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. So my answer is 10,368. If I wanted to double check that my answer was correct, I would maybe do an estimate. So 27 rounds up to 30. And I know that because my 7, the rule is if it's 5 or above, it changes the digit up. If it's 4 or below, this digit stays the same. So 384, well, I'm going to be rounding my 3, and my 8 is bigger than 5, so this will round up to 400. So what's 3 times 400? Well, it's about 12,000. I think that's a pretty close guess. So this is how you can check your answer, is to do an estimate. And 10,368 is pretty close to 12,000. And that's how you do U.S. traditional multiplication. We will keep working on this, keep practicing this. I hope this helps.